How to integrate Document360 knowledge base with Google Analytics 4. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up your Document360 account and also your Google Analytics account. Then go to your Document360 account and over here you need to click on this option of settings at the left hand side panel. After that, wait for it to load, and over here you will find the option of integration in this panel. Just click on it, then click on this option of new integration and you will find the featured integrations over here. Select the Google Analytics, the new version. Now it provides you with two different options to choose from. The first one is basic and the other one is custom configuration. So with basic configuration, you get standard integration of Google Analytics. But if you want this integration to be more specified according to your needs and requirements, then simply select the custom configuration. Let's take a look at the basic configuration first of all. And over here, you need to type the description. You can type the purpose of your integration over here. And for Google Analytics ID, you need Google Analytics account. And for that, just open up Google Analytics account. After that, you need to click on this option of admin at the bottom left hand side corner. Wait for it to load. And now in the property section, when you click over here, you will find different properties. Just select the appropriate one that is required by you. Let me select this one. And after that, you will be able to see that there is an option called data streams. Just click on it. Now select any of the data stream which is required. And here you will be able to see this option of measurement ID. Just copy it and head back to Document360. Now here you need to paste this ID. You can also add advanced insertion rules, but it is optional. Here you will be able to add some more conditions to your integration. And after that, just simply click on this option of add in order to complete the basic configuration of Document360 knowledge base with Google Analytics 4. Now let's see how we can do the custom configuration. So for that, you will have to select the custom configuration. And over here, in the similar fashion as we have used before, you will have to type the description and you can use the purpose of this particular integration over here. And in the snippet codes, over here you need to type your desired snippet code, and after that you will be able to integrate in a more desired way according to your needs and requirements. You can also see the advanced insertion rules over here too, but it is optional, and simply click on this option of add in order to add it. Also make sure that this status is turned on while you are doing this process. So this is how you integrate Document360 knowledge base with Google Analytics 4. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.